Number 1.
1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,500. This truck is a clean, well-maintained pickup finished in red with a tan interior. Powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it also features factory remote keyless entry for added convenience. The truck has been extensively refreshed with new paint, a new windshield, new tires, updated headlights, parking lights, tail lights, trim, body moldings, door handles, and matching lock cylinders with 2 keys. The bed is protected by a durable spray-in bed liner. Inside, it features new leather bucket seats, new carpet, a new headliner, and an overhead console with a temperature display, compass, and integrated garage door opener. Mechanically, it has also received a new distributor, spark plugs, wires, cap, and rotor, making this Sierra a well-sorted classic pickup ready to be enjoyed.
Number 2.
2000 Ford F150, price $3,900. Dependable and well-maintained full-size pickup truck that is ready for everyday driving or work-related tasks.
It has 168,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission that delivers smooth and reliable performance.
Powered by a gasoline engine, the truck features a beige exterior complemented by a matching beige interior, giving it a clean and timeless appearance. According to the owner, both the engine and transmission are in excellent working condition and operate flawlessly. The air conditioning blows cold, while the heating system works properly, ensuring a comfortable driving experience in any weather. The interior has been kept clean and well cared for, and the exterior is also in very good condition with a well-maintained finish. The owner also states that the truck has a clean title in hand, making the ownership transfer simple and hassle-free.
Number 3.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500. It has 129,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a burgundy exterior paired with a tan interior. The vehicle has received extensive maintenance and mechanical updates to ensure dependable performance. Recent work includes a new AC compressor and clutch, a complete fluid flush, new front and rear shocks, new spark plugs and wires, and a new distributor. The exhaust system has been refreshed with a new catalytic converter and new oxygen sensors. Additional engine service includes a new oil pan seal, replacement of the rear main seal, lower intake gaskets, rear pinion seal, and shaft seal. The truck also rides on new tires and rims and benefits from a thoroughly overhauled braking system, featuring new brakes, brake lines, front calipers and hoses, rear wheel cylinders, and brake drums.
Number 4.
1998 Dodge Ram 1500, price $8,000, powered by a reliable 5.2L Magnum V8 paired with an automatic transmission. It has 119,000 miles on the odometer, is finished in red with a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck comes with a clean title and has been regularly driven with no major issues. The vehicle starts, runs, drives, and shifts smoothly. The previous owner drove it home on a trip of over an hour after purchasing it and has continued to use it regularly, demonstrating its dependable performance. The frame is solid with only typical Pennsylvania surface rust and no structural rot. The body is in good condition for a vehicle of this age, with only one small bubbling paint/rust spot on the bedside. The tires have good tread remaining, and the truck is currently inspected, making it ready for its next owner.
Number 5.
1986 Ford F250, price $10,000, classic American antique pickup truck that reflects Ford's reputation for durable engineering, timeless styling, and dependable performance. With 76,000 miles on the odometer, this well-preserved example remains in completely original condition, with no modifications or alterations made to its factory specifications. It features an automatic transmission for comfortable driving, is powered by a gasoline engine, and is finished in a bold red exterior that complements its vintage character. As an authentic and unmodified classic, this F250 offers a rare opportunity to own a piece of American automotive history. Its originality enhances both its appeal and collectible value, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts, collectors, and classic truck fans alike.
Number 6.
2000 GMC 2500, price $7,500, powered by a reliable 6.0 LLS gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and has 199,000 miles on the odometer. It features a white exterior with a gray interior and is equipped with a two-wheel drive drivetrain. The truck recently received a professionally rebuilt 4L80 automatic transmission, and the sale includes the rebuild documentation along with a transferable warranty. It runs and drives exceptionally well, while both the air conditioning and heating systems are fully functional.
The power windows operate properly, and the vehicle has been upgraded with new LED lighting inside and out. Cosmetically, the truck presents well overall, although it does have some dents and dings consistent with its age. The seller also includes a large folder of maintenance and repair receipts covering the past 5 to 6 years from the previous owner, providing an excellent record of its service history.
Number 7. 1999 Ford F250, price $2,900. This truck is described by the seller as being in excellent overall condition and ready for daily use or work. The truck is reported to have no known mechanical problems or fluid leaks, while its rebuilt gasoline engine and automatic transmission are said to be operating smoothly and in excellent working order. It has approximately 300,000 miles on the odometer and features a classic white exterior complemented by a black interior. The vehicle is also equipped with 4 brand new tires, providing added value for its next owner. According to the seller, the truck comes with a clean title, and the asking price is negotiable. Overall, this F250 is presented as a well-maintained, reliable pickup that remains capable despite its mileage.
Number 8.
1989 Dodge Dakota, price $6,500, well-maintained 4-wheel drive pickup that has been carefully cared for over the years. Equipped with a dependable V6 engine and an automatic transmission, this trim model delivers a comfortable and capable driving experience suitable for both everyday use and light-duty work. It also comes with factory air conditioning, providing added comfort during warmer weather, while the glass-tight topper offers secure, weather-resistant storage and enhances the truck's overall practicality. With just 89,000 original miles, this Dodge Dakota has seen relatively low use for its age and has been preserved in impressive condition. According to the owner, the truck has always been garage-kept whenever it was not in use, helping protect its exterior and interior from the elements.
Number 9.
2001 Toyota Tundra, price $2,999. This truck has 249,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a strong V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in silver with a gray interior, this extended cab pickup runs and drives great, offering Toyota's renowned reliability along with a spacious and comfortable cabin for both work and everyday driving. The truck has been well maintained, with a clean interior and exterior, and is ready for its next owner. It comes with a clean title, safety emissions documentation available, a 30-day temporary tag, and features cold air conditioning and a fully functional heating system, making it a dependable choice for daily use or job site duties.
Number 10.
1992 Ford F150, price $3,500. This truck is a 4x4 short bed pickup powered by a reliable 5.0L V8 engine with an automatic transmission. It has 235,000 miles, a rare turquoise exterior, a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck is fully equipped with air conditioning and power features for added comfort. It has been well maintained with numerous recent upgrades, including new 31x 10.50 or 15 Dextero tires, shocks, brakes, window motors, alternator, battery, exhaust, ignition module, instrument cluster, front hubs, wheel bearings, gas tank, and fuel pump. The body is rust-free with only light surface rust on the solid frame.
Both front fenders have been replaced and repainted to closely match the original color.
According to the previous owner, the truck runs strong and performs excellently.